This is the blue Bakerpan fondant. I've been opening fondant for the last 15 minutes just to see what the colors are. This is a nice blue. It's not too dark. It's definitely, this is like a true blue. This is not like a dark navy blue or a lighter sky blue. This looks like this color would be good to mix with other ones to get a lighter blue if you wanted. This doesn't look like it's tending too far to the green or the purple. It really is very blue. And the flavor of this is like the artificial vanilla flavor that most fondants have, so that's nothing different. This is gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free, vegan, and it's a pretty good fondant. I've been using it in these little molds. It comes right out without having to worry about demolding it with any kind of cornstarch or anything like that. So this is a good option if you're looking for things to make details with. You can add Tylose to it if you want to do a quick gum paste and do flowers, but it's pretty soft, so I'm not sure if you're trying to mold. If you're trying to mold flowers, I would maybe let this dry out and then use them on the cakes, but you can cut them out with, oh my